Hi, it's Chef Athan. Today I'm going to be showing you what you should do with your Thanksgiving leftovers. First, you're going to need a slice of toast. Next, you're going to need some turkey. You could add mayo if you want, your choice. Next, you're going to need a slice of cheese. Next, spread some mashed potatoes. Next, add some peas and corn. Now add some barbecue beans. I almost forgot, add some gravy. Now another slice of toast and spread some stuffing. Add some mac and cheese. You could add cranberry sauce if you want. Then you put it together and bam! You got a nice and delicious Thanksgiving sandwich. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Follow me on Instagram at AthanMaxTV. And bye.